That is what all is about. People love you guys together. So how did you face the challenges in your
See,
personal life?
honestly, our situation was quite clear and was quite open
Yeah.
in front of everybody. मुझे लगता है one thing which I really respect about her and what went really right in our situation was कि अगर हम थोड़े से whatever happened,
Yeah.
we didn't say or did anything to harm each other.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि सारे couples को जो भी who are gonna be couples or who are already couples, I think one thing it's safe to say that we can tell them कि ये सबसे बड़ा turn off किसी भी
relationship.
कंपेनियन के लिए, दो चाहे दोस्त लड़के हों, दो लड़कियां दोस्त हों, you're in a relationship, the first thing you do is that you go behind their back and you start talking. I think
I feel like हमारा उसमें नाराज़गी हो सकती है, लेकिन respect was
It's
there.
very important.
It was there.
Yeah.
So which is also why we are always able to resolve things.
I think that door was always open, and then a lot of things that I mean that's why, and I think a lot of prayers.
Yeah.
And also when you come out of a situation like that, if there's a misunderstanding or if there's a whatever इस तरह की कोई भी चीज़ अगर किसी के साथ हो, if you are able to emerge out of it, I feel like you come back stronger.
You come back stronger and prettier.
Yeah.
I say that. That is important.
Rise in love, they say.
Yeah. Yeah, that definitely happened.
So I now want to talk about the favorite person apart from you two. Like she's my more favorite person in your family, I would say.
Okay.
I'm sorry, don't judge me, but like she's the most cutest person I've ever met. So life has changed significantly since the arrival of Ara, baby Ara, pretty Ara. So how has parenthood like impacted your life? Because I think बहुत changes आते हैं इंसान की ज़िंदगी में, प्यारे changes.
I don't know how to say it in words, but I feel like it's such a miracle, such a blessing.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है we literally cry almost every day, है ना?
Yeah.
And we are like, मतलब कोई words नहीं हो सकते इसके लिए. But I would say that there's more gratitude in life, there's more joy, there's more love, there's more like everything is just amazing.
I think I mean talking about myself couldn't have ever thought that I can have that feelings for a human being.
Same.
You know, it's a different ball game altogether.
Yeah.
And I've started respecting her more. It's a beautiful thing. It's like the concept of life changes, and not that. It just everything becomes more beautiful. You know, it's not that you become less happening.
Yeah.
I tell you, when Ara was about to be born, I went crazy after gym. I started going to gym that I have to be fit for my daughter and I have to be, so it's not that. It's
Yeah, he was all excited to welcome her.
beautiful in every way.
कि वो
It's
कैसा हमें
beautiful.
देखेगा।
I'm more focused on work. Whatever I do, I'm more focused.
And I see the rush that you want to go home as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So there was a thing called FOMO in life. I don't know where it is now. So there's no. It's when we three are together, it's universe. That's it. So
You wrote the caption also, my universe.
yeah. So actually,
Yeah, this is so pretty.
that's
says
her.
that
We
quite
named her
often.
Jahan Ara.
Jahan.
So she's our Jahan.
Cute. I can't stop talking about her. I say she's
Same.
the cutest
Same.
person. Okay. When can fans expect any project together? जल्दी से बता दे please हमारे लिए. कुछ interesting आ रहा है जहाँ पे हमें Orhan देखने को मिलेंगे.
Soon, inshallah. Yeah.
Inshallah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited. for
Working
that.
on something.
We're working on a couple of
I know
things.
that, but like I'm not going to tell you guys.
Oh.
DM me later.
मैं तो
आपके
आपको
फैंस
थोड़ा सा
आपस की बात है, मुझे लिटरली DM करते हैं और आपका मामला की शादी पे जो डांस था वो पूरा नहीं आया था एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज गोइंग क्रेजी. उसान प्लीज हमें ये सेंड कर दे अपलोड कर दे, कुछ तो कर दे प्लीज हमें तौबा देखना है. मैंने कहा अब सबर
वो मेरा
करो.
फेवरेट था वैसे.
मेरा भी
Yeah.
बहुत fit.
Yeah.
And he's an outstanding dancer. Just not saying any bad thing, but like the dance flows in your body.
Yeah.
कोई मुझे वो वाली फिल्म चाहिए ना, आपकी वो 200-300 डांसर वाली पीछे नाच रहे
है ना, होनी चाहिए.
वीडियो ना
नहीं
Film.
फिल्म चाहिए. हाँ.
वीडियो भी हो सकती है.
वीडियो भी हो हाँ.
वीडियो इज आल्सो लाइक फिल्म ही होती है गाना.
But I more prefer like he's my hero so.
फिल्म. हाँ.
ज़रूर इंशाल्लाह soon.
So guys, now we have, before we go to the next segment,
No.
I would like to present from my side flowers that I brought so many gifts for you guys. But इसमें मैं जरा उठ के
खाना भी
जाऊँ.
और गिफ्ट्स भी.
हाँ. Heart ones are for you.
Oh, thank you.
And ये basket वाला ना is for you. Allah.
वाई क्यों लड़कों के पास दिल नहीं होता?
आपके पास है लेकिन आपका दिल यहाँ है ना.
अच्छा ठीक.
मैंने उनको
आपका
दिया
दिल यहाँ है.
आपका दिल यहाँ है.
बिल्कुल सही. बातों को ही खा रहे हो आप सब लोग.
ये ले ले please. आके आप ले लें इनसे.
Please, thank you.
So we have couple compatibility questions and this is a competition. So if you win, you're gonna wear the gift hamper from Belco Chocolates.
अच्छा.
So आपसे सवालात पूछे जाएंगे.
देखिए पहला कंपटीशन तो मैं जीत गई हूँ. मैं साथ साथ इतना खा रही हूँ. आप लोग तो कुछ खा भी
हम
नहीं.
भी खा रहे हैं. वो हम ऐसे
नहीं
वो
कुछ
सूंघ
नहीं आप
रहे
खा
हैं
रहे हो.
सिर्फ.
नहीं खा रहे हो.
And
मुझे कह के साथ साथ खाना है.
the one that wins
हाँ.
will get the gift hamper. And ये बड़ा crazy as gift hamper है. Sorry
ठीक
मेरे
है.
कांटे गिर रहे हैं आज. लेकिन this will be the person who wins it first. So I have some questions. Quick answers, no thinking and no cheating. ठीक है? So who is the bigger romantic in the relationship?
Me.
I can guess that. That's easy. What's the most epic surprise you've ever planned for each other?
मेरा तो
Proposal.
एपिक सरप्राइज था. प्रपोजल ही था.
That was mine.
This was his.
You tell yours.
नहीं मतलब मेरे लिए.
नहीं आपका क्या था इनके लिए?
मेरा
ये इधर रख दो. पहले ये क्या है? क्या हैम्पर?
हाँ,
नहीं
आपके
चुप
पास
करो
आ
एक
रहा है।
सेकंड.
पहले 2 क्वेश्चंस में पता लग गया.
मेरी बात सुनिए. मैं मतलब प्रपोजल जो है उससे ऊपर मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ.
I put
करती हूँ
double.
मैं
तो
भी
कर सकती
सरप्राइज.
हैं, कुछ तो करो.
नहीं मैं करती हूँ.
She said yes.
हाँ आई सरप्राइज्ड हिम. नो बट मतलब वैसे अगर आप कुछ भी करो तो उससे ऊपर तो कुछ नहीं जा सकता ना यार.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
नहीं उससे ऊपर कुछ नहीं जा सकता. आप गिफ्ट दो
हाँ, नहीं,
बेशक.
आपका-
आप बर्थडे मैंने बर्थडे सरप्राइजेस बहुत दफा किए हुए हैं. बट हाउ कैन आई से कि वो प्रपोजल से ऊपर था.
चलो.
सही है ना. देखो यार प्लीज गिव मी अ पॉइंट फॉर
I am giving to you.
या
Well, the biggest surprise she has given me is Ara.
हाँ चलो फिर तो मैं विनर होगी.
ये आंसर तुम्हारा रिकॉर्ड कर. Nice. Okay. So if you could recreate your first date, what would you do differently? Nothing, right? Same.
I guess I'll eat a bit more. No, but nothing actually.
Okay.
हाँ. क्या
Who is
चीज़?
more likely to write a love letter? Oh, that old school romantic.
Yeah, I'll probably sing that letter.
Oh, yeah. See? Man with multiple talents. That's true. Okay, so who is the better dancer? Obviously.
Obviously him.
Farhan bhai. Oh, sorry,
Absolutely.
I'm answering for sorry.
he
Yes,
is. It's
she's
a fact.
also amazing,
Yeah,
by
yeah.
the way. You guys, वो मुझे वो वाला slow गाना नहीं तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा था
Yeah.
आपको. मैंने सबसे पहले संडे पे लगाया था.
तेज है आप बड़े.
Okay, so what's your go-to karaoke jam? Karaoke. जो भी है वो अल्फाज मुझे नहीं
हम वो गाना बहुत गाते हैं ना.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए.
हाँ.
Cute.
Yeah.
Beautiful meaning. Okay, if you could switch lives for a day, what would you do? आप उर्वा बने और उर्वा
मुझे
फरहान
नहीं
बने.
बनना कोई और.
नहीं आप फरहान बन रही है.
नहीं मुझे फरहान की उर्वाई बनना.
ओए
मुझे लग रहा है हम पे मेरे पास आएगा.
ये सवाल के जवाब के बाद तो आ रहा है. ये मैं बता रहा हूँ. अच्छा, who is more likely to plan a spontaneous road trip?
Him.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like the long
And she
drive.
probably says why.
Or I'll probably say no.
Yeah.
That is so spontaneous. Can
Let's
you
let's
please
order
plan it?
something at house.
I think
That's-
she's a fantastic planner to be very honest. क्योंकि अगर हम shoot भी करें या कुछ भी करें, she needs to know every detail, nitty gritty details beforehand,
Yeah.
and I think that is
She's
the
not big on
super
surprises, actually.
professional thing to do.
She's not big on surprises. So, you know, you have to
आपने
be.
सबसे बड़ा सरप्राइज दे ही दिया.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो डर भी रहा था.
Exactly.
है ना?
हाँ.
Okay, who is the bigger jokester in the relationship?
Him.
Well, I was till lately, but now she gives me a tough time.
Tough time.
Yeah.
Yeah. She has the one-liners.
Now
कभी कभी
she's getting there.
Learning from him. So yeah.
what's the most ridiculous argument you have ever had? Like उसका कोई मतलब ही